This is a guide on how to build a base on Bloody Nightmare. Before you start, be sure to check the server rules. To do this, press B in-game, click Server Information, then click the pen and paper icon on the top left. This will open the server rules in your default web browser. The server rules change between seasons and include any restrictions on base location and size. Now we're ready to start. To build a base, you'll first need a territory. For this, you'll need 3 short sticks and a rope. Place the 3 short sticks into your hands, then drag the rope to the combine slot on the sticks. Then press and hold the left mouse button to create a flagpole kit. Looking at the kit, hold F to take this into your hands. Left click to bring up the placement hologram. Press and hold the left mouse button to place the flagpole. Walk close to the flagpole. Whilst looking at the pole, press F to bring up the territory creation screen. Select a flag design and click Create Territory. Give your territory a name, then click Create Territory again. To confirm this, click OK. Whilst looking at the pole, press and hold F to raise the flag. This will activate the territory zone. You can change your flag's design at any time by looking at the pole and tapping F. Custom flag designs can be purchased via server donations. A territory will span 30 meters from the flag. That's about the distance between the base of the flag and this crate. Base building items inside this zone will have a flag icon next to its name, whilst items outside will not. Next, we're going to create a crafting bench. For this, you'll need 5 wooden planks and a crafting book. These can be found in sheds across the map or purchased from the trader. Drag the crafting book into your hands. Then drag the wooden planks to the combine slot on the book. Press and hold the left mouse button to create the crafting bench kit. With the crafting bench kit in your hands, left click to bring up the placement hologram. Then press and hold the left mouse button when you are happy with the position. Whilst in front of the crafting bench, drag the crafting book into the blueprint section on the top left. Press F to bring up the instant building recipes. These recipes will tell you exactly what resources in what quantities are required for different base sections. To start, we're going to build a wooden floor. As we can see on the recipe, the wooden floor requires 2 wooden logs, 10 wooden planks, and 30 nails. Drag these resources into the relevant slots on the crafting bench. Then, looking at the crafting bench, press F to bring back the recipe book. Select the wooden floor and click Craft Kit. This will spawn a wood floor kit on the bench and consume the resources stated in the recipe book. To build the floor, simply take the floor kit into your hands, left click to bring up the placement hologram. Then place this anywhere within your territory's 30-meter radius. The floor will build instantly, with no need for any additional tools. Now we're going to build a door using the same process. Find the wooden door recipe. We can see it requires the same as the floor, 2 wooden logs, 10 wooden planks, and 30 nails. Drag the resources into the bench. Open the recipe book and click Craft Kit. Just like before, this will spawn the kit onto the bench and consume the resources. Take the kit into your hand and left click to bring up the placement hologram. The hologram will go wherever you look, which can make it tricky to align with the floor or other walls, as we can see now. To enable snapping, press the down arrow key. This will force the hologram to automatically stick to the edges of the floor. You can use the scroll wheel to cycle which edge the wall snaps to. Once happy with the placement, you can place this and it will instantly build the door. To open the door, simply walk up to it and press F. Pressing F again will close it. Now that we have a door, you'll likely want to lock it. For this, you'll need a code lock, one of the most sought after items in the game. Drag the code lock into your hands, approach the door and left click to attach the code lock. Scroll down until Set Code appears, then press F. Enter the code you'd like to use, then click Push. Repeat this to confirm the code. Once set, you can still open and close your door by pressing F. However, other players cannot without first authorizing themselves by entering the code. For more complex bases, there is a lot of freedom with the mod. Pressing the left arrow key, for example, will change the shape of the section. Pressing the up arrow will open the advanced options. Clicking the advanced rotation will enable total freedom over the roll, pitch or yaw of the section. The roll is the default rotation. Scrolling up or down will rotate the section along its center vertical axis. Scrolling with pitch will rotate the section along its bottom horizontal axis, tipping the section towards or away from the inside. Scrolling with yaw enabled will rotate the piece horizontally from the center point of the bottom axis, leaning perpendicular to the inside. The Reset Hologram button will undo any changes and revert the hologram back to its default state. The Freeze Hologram button will keep the hologram in place, no matter where you look or move to. You can even place the section whilst being far away from it. To demonstrate the ease of the instant build system, here's a box base I made in under 1 minute. Now we have a completed box base with 0 tools required. Bases can only be raided through their doors, hatches, or windows. There are 3 tiers of materials, offering increasing levels of protection against raid tools. Tier 1 is wood, which we've already built. Tier 2 is metal, which follows the same building process using sheet metal instead of wooden planks. Tier 3 is concrete, which requires 2 new resources: mortar mix, which can be found at building supply airdrops or in industrial areas, and concrete bricks, which is crafted by using concrete mix in a cement mixer. These are also found at base building airdrops, industrial areas, or purchasable at the trader. To make concrete bricks, place either a cement mixer or a cement mixer kit onto the ground. Cement mixers require power, so you'll need a power generator complete with a spark plug, fuel, and cable reel. Take the cable reel into your hands and connect the power generator to the cement mixer. Then place 2 bags of concrete mix into the cement mixer. Look at the cement mixer and press F to switch it on. This process takes about 2 minutes. Once completed, the cement mixer will switch off and the brick will spawn on the ground. 8 concrete bricks will spawn for every 2 bags of concrete mix used. Using the recipe book, the building process is the same. You can decorate your bases with wallpaper, carpets, and roof plaster. These can be purchased at the trader. To apply wallpaper, take it into your hands, walk to the desired wall, look at it, and left click. Repeat this process for every wall you'd like covered. To apply carpets, it's the same process. For roof plaster, it can be difficult to reach the roof to place this. To get around this, simply stand under the roof, open the inventory screen, and drag the plaster into the roof's plaster slot. There are various different design options available to users at the trader. You can also have custom designs made via donations. Whilst we're talking donations, we really rely on donations to keep our servers running. We offer a lot of different packages for all of your custom needs. Head to donate.bloodynightmare.gg to show us your support and bag yourself some epic custom kit too. This has been the base building guide for Bloody Nightmare.